Hello, we're doing day 21 of Gely Postcard Play, hosted by Ceri Griffiths. It's Ceri the Crafter. Link to his introductory video is in my video description box if you're thinking about joining in the challenge. It's never too late, and all his rules are in there. Okay, so let's go. Okay, this is what I'm going to decorate today. Oh, yep, I don't mind that actually. Nice and easy and plain. Not easy, plain. Okay. So, I really don't want to put too much on that. I like the fact that there's not a full print on that piece of paper. Is this the one? Yeah, this is the one with that I thought looked like a jockey or somebody riding a horse. Okay, so I'm going to take advantage of that, and I'm going to outline the horse's head. Looks a bit like a camel though, doesn't it? And I've got my jockey here. He's even got a different coloured hat on. There's the reins. And I think I'm going to attempt to draw in the rest of the body. This could be a disaster. I might be making a new card. So I would say that so I'll put a leg down here. From there, the back of the horse would come here and go like that. Tail. And the chest would go something like that. Maybe a front leg. This is going to be a pretty funny looking horse. Belly. It's looking more like a camel. Then have another leg over here. Maybe I should have got a reference photo for doing this. And another leg in there. It's just a sketch, isn't it? Or the rider has got its arm out. A bit of a saddle cloth or something there. Mane. A bit more of an ear. Make the nose a bit longer. Oh dear. Got another hat over here, but I'm not drawing another horse. Bit of a rein. Jockey's needs to be a little bit bigger. Fatter. A little rider, I should say. Keep calling it a jockey. Just a little bit of an impression of something else going on in the background there. I'm just going to put some of this black ink around. So someone asked about this bottle. I just get them from the $2 shop, and the little nozzle thing, that's all just part of it. I think you get about 3 for $5, something like that. So nice and cheap. I went over my 21. So, the only thing is it sort of bubbles out after a while. I just drive it. 21. It's on the saddlecloth as well. I don't know why I'm doing that. It's the crowd watching the race. Okay, that's all I'm doing on that. Very simple. I like it. You probably don't, but anyway, let me know. I'm sure you will. Thanks for watching. Hugs and cheers from Australia. Hooroo.